Back to a brand new video, and today in this video I'll be talking about newbies. What a newbie should do at the gym, their workout plan. So I'll be giving the workout plan in description so you can check it out, and it's totally free. And I'm focusing on strength as well as hypertrophy, which is equals to a power building program, and not like a professional power building program, but a beginner one. Okay, this one take you 2 hours or 3 hours to complete. 1 hour is required for this program. So starting off the plan workout, we're doing warm up. Of course, we have to do warm up. Okay, any individual, even if he's a beginner or an advanced athlete, that particular person needs to warm up before doing any kind of workout. So this can be a stretching, this can be a warm up of this similar movement which you're going to do. And this is a full body 3 days split. Believe me guys, if you're a newbie beginner, you don't need 7 days a week, 6 days a week split. Okay, so let's get started. Day one, we are starting with squat legs. So we're doing squats. How many sets and reps? So squat is compound movement, so I'm standing for 3 to 5 reps, heavy reps. Okay, progressively overload slowly. So let's just say you're a newbie, you can't lift the bar. So we're going to start with body weight squat. If you can do a squat with the barbell itself, 20 kilos, that's fine. But if you can't do that, your form breaks down, just start doing the body weight squat. Then if you're going to do body weight squat, then don't follow 3 to 5 rep range. Just follow 10 to 12 rep range with good form. Do three sets, it's enough. All right, 3 sets, 8 to 12 repetition. And if you can do with the barbell, go for with the empty bar, go for 5 to 8 repetition. Then try to add 2.5 kilos or 5 kilos to the bar each side. So if you are adding 5 kilos, 5, 5, 10, so you're doing 30 kilos squat with, let's say you've done 5 reps. So rest for 2 to 3 minutes, again do 5 reps. The third set do 5 reps, and next week you're going to increase the weight. All right, this is how you have to do it. Then we're moving to the barbell row, back, 3 sets, and we are targeting for 8 to 12 repetition in the barbell row. Then we're going for the chest, flat dumbbell bench press, 3 reps. All the exercise will be limited to 3 sets. You don't need more than 3 sets each day. Okay, so flat dumbbell bench press, 3 sets, 8 to 12 repetition. We are not going for any kind of muscular failure or RIR0 or beyond that, because you're a newbie. Even if you do 5 reps, you're going to have muscle gains. Okay, newbie gains, bro. Then we're going moving to lateral delt, the side lateral raises, 3 sets. Sets and rep range will be same for isolation exercises. Bicep, tricep, and then we're moving to core. So bicep, tricep, you can do, my favorite is barbell curl or the easy bar curl. For tricep, you can do the long head extension, lateral head extension. Day 2, we are here for the bench day. So we're doing the compound style bench day, powerlifting style, bro. We're not going for the half reps. We're not doing that. We are doing compound with powerlifting style. We are doing the power building style for gaining maximum strength as well as muscle mass at the same time. We're not wasting a single day at the gym. So bench, 3 sets, 3 to 5 reps, and start with the empty bar. If you can't even move the empty bar, so here's the thing: you have to do the Smith machine version. um, Smith machine version 1. So if you're doing the Smith machine 1, it's a lot easier. It has this stabilizer, so go for 8 to 12 reps. And if you can add 10 kilos each side in this Smith bar, then hopefully you can go for the empty bar on the normal bench press. Then again, do what I said in the squat, 3 to 5 reps each week, increase. We are going for linear progression. Then we're moving to biceps, hamstring for legs, tricep, lats, which is for back, rear delt, and calf. We're not ignoring a single muscle. Day 3, deadlift, bruh. For deadlift, you have to be careful, be very, very careful. We need perfect form, all right? Perfect form in the deadlifts. Choose your deadlift style, conventional or sumo. It's up to you. Conventional is, sumo is a lot easier on your lower back, but you're going to use your quads a little bit more in sumo style. Lateral delt, dumbbell fly, or dips. If you can't do dips, a lot of people can do dips, so you can do the dumbbell fly. You have to focus on the stretch, guys, in dumbbell flies. We're doing rear delt. So in day 3, I added both of the delts, lateral delt and rear delt, because let's be honest, delts are another thing. Delts are another thing which gets ignored after calf. Then we're doing your favorite leg exercise. It can be leg extension, leg press machine, hack squat, or front squat. It's up to you. Then we're moving to bicep, tricep, and abs. That's it. So the rest, let's talk about the rest time, rest period. It depends on you. Don't go for, oh bro, rest for 30 seconds or not, or you won't get the hypertrophy, bro. No. When your heart rate is normal again, you're feeling okay, your cardiovascular system is okay, then you're going to move for your next set or next exercise. We're going to have, after doing day 1, we're going to take a day off, then day 2, then day off, then day 3. You're working out 3 times a week. You don't need any more than this if you're a newbie, beginner at the gym. All right, don't fall for the gym bros. After doing this split for 3 to 4 months, you can add another day, add some exercises. Like, we're not doing any kind of anterior delt work, because we're already involving this the delt from all the pressing work. But if you still want to grow them, you can add them, shoulder press or overhead military press. But I don't care, guys. Your front delt is already getting extra work. So yeah, that's it from today. If I missed anything, please check the description or the comment. I'll just upload it over there, update it over there. Peace.